Okay, ladies and gentlemen, this is going to be our last clip for this video, and we've had this thing running now for exactly 7 hours. By the way, today is July the 14th, 2018, and we started it at exactly 2 p.m. in the afternoon. It is now 9 p.m. That's 7 hours this thing's been running. It has used exactly 0.2 volts in 7 hours. So 0.2 would be 1/5 of an hour, so 5 times 7, 35, means 1 volt of use out of a 12 volt battery will run this machine for 35 hours straight. That's a small amount of electricity for that length of time running. Now, there again, with this 2-stage oscillator outside, we don't know exactly what it's going to do, but this proves that it will run it, and with very, very small amount of electricity. Okay, so everybody have a good time. Like I said, this is going to be our last clip, and it's late. I'm getting tired. I'm an old man, and tomorrow's my birthday. So everybody wish me a happy birthday, please. I'll be 74 years old at 5:27 a.m. is my birthday and minute now. All right, everybody have fun. Bye.